Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most scoring portion also. As quants requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills like from class 6 to class 10, so people are used to get enough score to increase their total marks. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. If the sum of 5 consecutive integers is s, then the largest of those integers in terms of s is what? So first of all, we assume that the 5 consecutive integers are x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and lastly x plus 4. And by the question, the sum of these integers is s. Therefore, we can write x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 is equals to s. Hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5x plus 6 plus 10 is equals to s. Therefore, we get 5x plus 10 equals to x. Hence x plus 2 is equals to s by 5. Okay. Hence x is equals to s by 5 minus 2. Hence s minus 10 divided 5 is equals to x. Now we need to find the largest one among these 5 integers. From our assumption, we can say that the largest one is x plus 4. We already have the value of x in terms of s. Now we replace the value of x in this x plus 4. Therefore, we get s minus 10 divided by 5 plus 4. Therefore, we get s minus 10 plus 20 divided by 5, which results in s plus 10 divided by 5. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Now, let's check the next question. The greatest among the number 3 root 2, 3 root 7, 6 root 5 and 2 root 20 is what? Okay. So we have 4 numbers. The first one is 3 root 2. That means 3 into 1.414, which results in 4.24242. Now the next one is a 3 root 7. That means 3 into 2.645, which results in 7.935. The third one is 6 root 5. That means 6 into 2.236, which results in 13.416. And lastly, we have 2 root 20. That means 2 into 4.472, which results in 8.944. So from these four fractions, we can say that the highest one is 6 root 5. Therefore, the greatest number is 6 root 5. So we have successfully solved two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these two numbers 9836793076 and 987480225756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sortofsysclasses.com. Thank you very much.